Well, Kelly, that concern surrounds a couple of major points. First of all, that there wouldn't be enough hospital staff to deal with an influx of new patients, and that there might not be enough beds at hospitals for those patients. If you're looking for a little bit of hope, we got that here in the last 24 hours, and that's that hospital capacity increased a bit. 83% now for capacity as opposed to more than 90% on Friday. So a few less patients dealing with COVID in area hospitals. And the situation has also improved slightly in local ICUs. But what a new week will bring remains to be seen. And when you take a look at the latest numbers that we have out of Missouri and Illinois, you can see why it is such a dire situation. Let's start by sharing with you the numbers out of Illinois. The latest we have is that 12,438 new cases have been reported in the land of Lincoln, resulting in 75 new deaths. In Missouri, 4,559 new cases were reported, along with 19 new deaths. Those numbers help to paint one of the grimmest pictures our region has seen in the 8 months we've been dealing with the pandemic. For some perspective on how quickly things have turned for the worst, the most recent task force report shows a record 78 new daily hospitalizations on its 7-day average. A month ago, the average was 35. Dr. Garza says we as citizens are the only ones who can stop the spread.
It is really up to the community on how this goes forward. So the mindset should be, I need to be doing everything I can. So that means, again, no informal gatherings. You should really be treating everybody as if they have COVID. When you're out in public, you really need to act like coronavirus is all around you. And that's the only way to really interrupt transmission.
Dr. Garza has yet to call on local health officials to issue new stay-at-home orders. He's hoping that people do the things that he has been urging them to do all along, like wearing masks, practicing social distancing, and washing hands frequently, but said that should the situation not get any better, he would call upon health officials to put those orders back in place. As it relates to the city of St. Louis, Mayor Lyda Krewson on Friday said that these numbers are certainly concerning and that the city is considering stay-at-home orders, but no word right now and no indication right now that the city would put those back in place for the time being. We should also note that on Friday, Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker self-quarantining after saying that he was exposed to someone who tested positive for the virus. We've learned in the last 24 hours that his COVID test came back negative. Reporting live in downtown St. Louis, I'm Mike Colombo, Fox 2 News.